Quant is right now at this very interesting supply zone, and the chance that we could see massive higher prices is there. In this video I will talk about Quant and share my price prediction for the long and for the short term. So let's go straight into the content. So first of all, after Quant crashed from the all-time high, we then saw this consolidation since a longer time. We saw the first bullish reaction right here, made a massive higher high, and since we built this high right here, we then reacted at this demand zone here multiple times. And right now we saw this bullish reaction to the upside. And if we're right now breaking this supply zone to the upside, then the chance is really high that we could see a bullish explosion for Quant. And right now this supply zone is technically strong because we saw this bearish reaction. We built a lower low right here. And as we came into the supply zone, we saw this rejection. But if we're breaking this one now to the upside and find acceptance over there, then I think the chance is high that we could see even higher prices in the near future for Quant. And if we are looking at the total crypto market cap of the altcoins, you can see that we are clearly in a bullish trend. And I think the chance is high that we could see even higher prices in the near future, especially when Bitcoin is going to the upside. The chance that altcoins like Quant are also going to the upside is very high. So if we are now breaking this supply zone to the upside and find acceptance, then I think the next really interesting price target is this high right here at $227. And from the prices right now to this kind of price target, we would have potential over 55%. And from the prices right now to the all-time high, we would have potential over 190%. And I think this is an amazing deal for Quant. And the best coins are also exploding over the last all-time high. And I think Quant has the potential to reach even higher prices. And I talked about potential price targets in another video on Quant. So we looked for potential price targets and now we are looking for potential buy areas to get into a long position for Quant. So first of all, I said I think the chances high that we could see a massive explosion from these prices right here. And in the best case, we would see a bullish move out of the supply zone. And if we then retest this supply zone or this last high, then I think this would be an amazing potential entry to get into a long trade. Of course, the chance is also there that we see directly even higher prices just from this high right here. So if you're right now on the sideline at Quant, I think this potential price areas are already a great chance to get into a potential long trade. Or as I said, if we see the breakout, that you go into a trade with the retest of this last highs and the supply zone. But if we see a move to even lower prices again, then I would have a look at this demand zone right here. Because from this demand zone, we saw this push to the upside. We made this higher high right here. So if we come into the zone and see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then the chance is really high that we could see a bullish continuation just from this zone. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like Quant, then join my free Telegram group. You will find a link in the description. So all in all, guys, I think Quant is a great project with a very high potential. And if we are now breaking out of this supply zone and see a weekly body close out of this supply zone over this last highs, then I think the chance is high that you could see a massive explosion in the near future. And then the next really interesting price target is this high right here at $227. And if you're on the sideline right now, I would get into potential long trade if you retest this last high and supply zone. Or if we see lower prices again, then I would wait if we see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame and get into potential long trade right here. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.